If you're like me, you have a house, you have a garage, you have a nice car, then life happens. You are then forced to evict your prized possessions out in the cold, dark unknown thanks to this. Yes, guys, I'm talking about this. Clutter in your garage. So I'm going to show you what I did in this video to go from this to an organized garage like this. Here's the after. Stick around and I'll show you in this video exactly how I did this. Alright guys, I'm going to go right into what I did and what products I use in order to organize my garage. I'm only going to show you half of it for now, just because the next step is going to be the flooring, which I'm going to go with epoxy, and then after that, the other half of the garage I'm going to go with cabinets, which most likely that will be new age cabinets. I'm really impressed and happy with the new age Pro Series stuff. The quality and look of it I really like, so that'll probably be the next step. Hopefully you subscribe and get to see the finished video of the garage build. Okay, so I started on this wall, pretty much the whole lower section of it, with a slat wall, covering up the whole bottom part of it. Now this is just the store display slat wall. Comes in 4x8 slabs and pretty cheap. It's about $50, but the cool thing about it is you can get it in different colors, black, white, tan, even like a brick look to it. There's plenty of options out there. And another thing is that you can get hooks, you can get bins, you could get shelves, all sorts of items that you can arrange this slat wall to what works for you. This is what worked for me. I got a little catch all bin down there, little shelves over here, and then another shelf up here. This is still a slat wall, but made by a flow wall. So this is actually a little bit different. This is plastic instead of a particle board. A little bit stronger, a little bit better, but obviously a little bit more costly. So I had some left over from another project that I just decided to go with the two-tone look, as you see there. Put some up there and over on that side. Kind of matches the cabinets that I'm going to go with, the color of the cabinets. And then the bikes. So the bikes, big issue I was having is the bikes, the tires kept going flat, just sitting on the ground. So here, pretty much got some hooks and just hooked it up to this slat wall. Same thing here. And then on this one here, it's a big bike here, trying to keep it off the ground. And I was trying to figure out where to mount it. So the only thing I was able to come up with was pretty much hanging it from underneath this rack. The way I did it was just getting these bungees here. You could buy them anywhere. I got them at the 99-cent store or something like that. But as you can see, hung it up here. Back there, and then this is two bungees here that kind of connect, so it's pretty easy to remove the bike. So all you got to do is come down here, bring it back down, let it down. Obviously this just comes off, and then this side just lift, and you're set. So again, to put it back on, all you got to do is get one side in, bring the other side, and then just loop the bungee right through, and then connect it to the one already attached. So that little project there was kind of painful to figure out, but after getting this set up, makes it really easy to get this bike up and down and keep it off the ground. So hope that helps you guys out, because I know it took me a while to figure out how to hang a bike on the rack. So I'll talk about these racks. These are made by New Age. These are the New Age Pro Series. And I really like these racks just because they're very easy to work with, very easy to install, and they give you lots of options. So as you can see on these, I went with an offset look to it, but you can hang these going straight up and down, just hanging from each other. You can hang them side to side, you can hang them in a corner, but so many options, and then so many ways to mount them up against the wall. So as you can see, you can either mount them up against the wall, as you see on there. You can mount it up to another rack or shelf, and you can also mount it up to the ceiling, as you see on this one over here. So this one, as you can see, I have it mounted to the ceiling, and on this side just because it didn't work out. I put it up to the back wall, so you can mix and match kind of. Here, and this is another area where guys or anybody has a lot of space that is just wasted right above the garage door. So here just went with the shelves, 2x4 shelving over here, just because of the size. I wanted to go with the new age shelving on the sides up here that you see right there. But just due to the size, because of the garage door, I could not find a shelf that would fit this area. And I just went with simple 2x4, built a shelf up there, got a lot of stuff off the ground, space that was not being used. That one here is a 4x4 shelf, same thing made by New Age, the New Age Pro, and they make them in 2x4, which is this, 4x4, I believe 4x8, and 2x8, and they make them in different colors as well. So let me know what you guys think of this build so far. Let me know if you guys have any or seen any product that I can also use. Just comment below, and maybe different cabinets that you guys have seen that are pretty good products. But I think New Age for now will be the way I go, and then when I complete the build, I'll put out a video for that. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you like it, hit that like button below. Helps the video get a little bit more views. Appreciate it, guys.